Let's synchronize.
Good morning, guys. Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking, and thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for too much love to this channel, guys. Today is another beautiful day. I tell you, it's raining and raining every single day like crazy. As you can tell, my garden is here, and I have a bucket here, a container, which means today is my first day that I'm going to harvest my greens, the bitter leaves, the first time, the first one. So we are going to harvest it, okay? Meanwhile, let me sit here, chill a little bit here, because I have something here. Like, I love bananas, and I love what? So I have to eat my bananas first as my breakfast before we start harvesting. So far it's been raining, the greens are doing so well. So I was looking at it, I'm like, my gosh, I need to harvest. It's a Sunday, I need to harvest, okay? So in a little bit we are going to harvest, but I need to eat my fruits first. Guys, I love mangoes. Mangoes are my favorite. I can eat mangoes like every single day. I can eat mangoes breakfast, lunch, and dinner, supper, whatever. I can eat mangoes really good. I love it. So this is my breakfast, so I'm gonna finish it so that we can go start harvesting. Give me a second, guys. Let me finish my breakfast. Oh well, guys, the breakfast is done. I have a container here. I'm walking towards my garden, and we are going to harvest our first bitter leaves, okay? Without wasting your time, guys, let's go and start harvesting, okay? Oh well, guys, before we start harvesting, if you are new here, my name is Umoto Lifestyle. I live in the US, originally from Africa, Kenya, but I'm here in the US for the longest, and I thought, why not start a channel so that I can show you, whoever you are from all over the world, if you want to come here to the US, I can just focus on showing you how you can survive here in the US, the tricks, the tactics, the lifestyle. And this is the lifestyle I'm going to show you here that you can plant your own. So if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing, turn your notification on, because the vlogs are coming back and forth, okay? Let's harvest our greens, okay? So oh well, guys, today is harvesting time. It's been raining like crazy, and today I thought, let me go ahead and harvest. There's been so much water here, but so far we managed to harvest the first bitter leaves. This is our first, guys. My gosh, let me tell you guys, this is amazing, really amazing. This is the fresh one, the first one. Oh my gosh, it's a lot. I didn't think it was going to be a lot like this, but guys, you can tell. But I'm not even done, you know, this is part of it. I'm not even going all the way up there, so I have a lot of work to do. So I'm going to finish. I just wanted to let you know this is the first one, but the kales, I've been eating the kales. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is why I love to plant organic, natural, you know, from your soil. You sweat on it and then you eat it, right? This way is that you don't have to be spending your coins and buying from the stores, you know. It's pricey. It's pricey nowadays. So I have mint here for those ones, guys, who don't know. Whenever I make my tea, I always come here and I grab the mint fresh and go, you know, make my tea, coffee, tea, whatever, you know. It's just right here. And I have my spring onions here, guys. The spring onions, these onions are just a survivor. They've done me so good. I've been using it for a while. So far it's doing justice right here. Oh my goodness, it's a rainy season here in Texas. It's raining like crazy so far. That's why you see my veggies are doing so well, guys. Even the pears are doing so well because there's so much rain. My gosh, Really, they are doing so well. Let me zoom so y'all can see how well they are doing. They're feeling well. Even my neighbor's pear. You know, there's another type of pear from my neighbor. Let me zoom in so y'all can see. But those pears are so little pears. So when they're ready, guys, this is how they start. That's my neighbors, and these are mine. These are pears, and those are pears, but those are different kinds of pears. So today I thought, let me just get these bitter roots here so that we can cook today, guys. So I'm gonna get it some more so that I can wash it, because it was rainy season, so I have to really wash it so well, because there's a lot of sand here. So you can tell it's a lot of sand here, so I have to make sure I wash it really well. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish so that we can go and wash it, guys. Stay here. Well, I thought, let me use this container to wash it because it's a lot of sand, so that I can transfer this. So let's go ahead and wash it, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, Umoto Lifestyle, go ahead and subscribe so you can see authentic videos, really live videos here in America. Originally, I'm from Kenya, and I live here in the US for the longest. I do content about a lifestyle here in the US. In case you are from anywhere in the world and you want to come to the US, I just want to show you how life is here, how you can survive here, what kind of jobs you can do here. Pretty much anything to do with your hands and how people live here. So you can tell, you know, you can even plant your own greens here. This is exactly what I'm showing you, and this is exactly what you are going to do whenever you come, or you make a decision to come to live here in the US, okay? So stay here, let me go ahead and wash it, and then we're going to cook, okay? Now it's clean, guys, no sand. It's ready to be cooked, okay? Wow, straight out from the garden in America. This is a miracle, guys. I tell you, you can plant your own. It's plenty, guys. I didn't know it was going to be plenty like this. My gosh, it's so plenty. Wow. So it's ready for me to go put it. Today I'm cooking with the stove. I'm not cooking outside because it's a rainy season, so we are going to cook this in the stove. Okay, you see, guys, how clean it is. This is really nice, really nice. So I can't wait for it to cook, get some stew, and then we eat, guys. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Show you something. Our stove is in the making. So far, that is the top. It's drying up. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. So the next thing is that we're going to build it, actually. So this is how far it is. A good upgrade. So guys, stick here so I can give you more update how this stove finally we are going to cook using the stove. Meanwhile, we were waiting for the stove to dry, but so far, since it rained so much, you can tell it's really dried up and it's ready to go. So I'm gonna show you another stage in the next my upcoming videos, because it's a work in progress. So until we have a stove, okay? So far I'll be cooking using my 3 stones until this stove is ready, okay, guys? My goodness, let me show you how it has rained. As you can tell down here on the ground, guys, it has been so much rain. You can tell a lot of rain, and today actually it's raining. So this is how much the rain has been here My gosh, it has been raining, and as you can tell above the sky, there's still so much rain over there. There's a plenty of rain coming up, so it's a rainy season, which is good for people who are planting garden. So it's really good season. So we're gonna go inside so I can cook my bitter leaves, my greens, so that we can eat lunch. Okay, make sure guys, if you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing. My name is Umoto Lifestyle. I live in the US, originally from Africa, and I do vlogs about lifestyle in America. If you plan to come to the US from anywhere in the world, I'm gonna show you how people live here, what kind of food they eat here, what kind of schools are here, what kind of jobs are here, what actually how America is. And that's my goal here. You can even have your own garden here. You can plant anything you want. Okay, so that's the main goal of this channel. So if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. You can have even a pool in your backyard. That's above the ground pool, so you can, you know, you can do a lot here in the US. And make sure you share with your friends this video, tell your friends and tell a friend to subscribe so we can support guys, and leave a comment. Let me know, ask me a question. What do you want me to vlog about? Okay, because there's plenty to vlog until sometimes I don't know what I'm going to vlog about. Do you want me take you anywhere? Let me know in the US. Okay, please stick here. Let's go inside. Let's go cook our grains. Okay.